The following graph gives information about a park. According to the picture, I can see many trees and a small swimming pool. From the picture, some chairs and some pavilions are found in the park. Moreover, there is a lot of grass in the park. Lastly, it has two playgrounds, one with a slide and swings and another with a sandbox. To sum up, the graph tells about a park.
The following graph gives information about laundry. According to the picture, the first step is sorting. From the picture, the next step is checking and pre-testing. Moreover, following steps are adding and washing. Lastly, the final steps are folding and hanging. To sum up, the graph tells about laundry. The following graph gives information about washing hands. According to the picture, I can see the first step is to take some liquid soap. From the picture, the second step is to rub your hands. Moreover, every finger has to be taken care of. Lastly, the final step is to wash your hands with clean water. To sum up, the graph tells about how to wash hands. This The following graph gives information about apples. According to the picture, I can see that there are many apples on an apple tree. From the picture, a worker is picking these apples from the tree. Moreover, these apples are being packed in big crates. Lastly, these apples are finally transported and delivered. To sum up, the graph tells about apples. The following graph gives information about the process of making sushi. According to the picture, I can see the first step is to prepare all the ingredients needed for making sushi. From the picture, the next step is to wrap these ingredients, including vegetables, meat and rice, into purple larvae. Moreover, some dipping sauce is recommended to be taken together with sushi. Lastly, there is more sushi ready to eat on the table. To sum up, the graph tells about how to make sushi. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.